Hello everyone, welcome back and you are watching Technical World. Today in this video we will talking about what to do if iPhone and iPad user not getting app notification in iOS 15.2. So without wasting any time, let's get started and before start please don't forget to subscribe. The first thing that we have to do is check the iOS 15.2 new feature under notification. To check that, first we have to go to settings. Then tap on notification and tap schedule summary. Now we have to turn off schedule summary. Number 2, check the particular app that you are not getting notification under notification. Go to settings, tap on notification and check the list. If you are not getting Facebook notification, tap on and allow notification. And same you can do the particular app that you are not getting notification. Facebook, WhatsApp, tap on WhatsApp and allow notification, enable allow notification. Number 3, check the DND mode. To check that, go to settings, then tap on focus, tap DND, do not disturb, and make sure that do not disturb is disabled. Final, go back to settings, tap on general and tap transfer reset iPhone, tap reset, now tap reset all settings. Here iPhone passcode required and tap again reset all settings to confirm your action. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.